Edie Beans with a Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making crab meat casserole, but not just any crab meat casserole. I'm calling it Milton's crab meat casserole. We are in prep of a Cat 3 hurricane this coming Wednesday. So we went food shopping and we are prepping. The recipe and the links to the products you see us using here will be in the description below. Remember, we do have a cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edie, available on Amazon, link below, and please subscribe to our Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. Smooshy that like button, hit the notification bell. Please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. Remember, be kind to one another and cook with love, camp with passion. Let's make Milton's crab meat casserole. Here's a tip for you. If accidentally you get an eggshell while you're cracking eggs, just take the eggshell and scoop it out. It will automatically stick to the shell. So this is cubed eggplant, and I salted it a little bit and just let it hang out on a paper towel for about 30 minutes. So all the excess water and moisture can leave the eggplant because I don't want my casserole runny. So for the regular size Omnia, I would use about half of the amount of the ingredients. Listen, if you have extra, make it into a muffin mold.